What is up, guys? Welcome to a brand new Minecraft video. And in this Minecraft video, what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be showing how to use the running or walking features down below over here and pretty much all the other ones. So the first thing that I'm going to go through though is how to make your character run/walk. So this is actually very simple. So you're going to start off with the first keyframe, and then let's say that you want it to be until the 50th keyframe that they're going to move. So I'm going to make it so that I'm going to be all the way over here in the 50th keyframe, and the first keyframe I'm going to be in this over here. So in order to make it walk or run, you're going to have to double click this, and then you're going to see all of these options light up except for this one. So you can either pick for them to walk or run. So I'll first show you the walking animation. I guess the walking animation, you would say it's kind of like regular Minecraft walking. And then now I will show you. I'm going to undo that. Okay. So I'm going to undo that. And now I'm going to show you guys the running animation. So I'm going to make it so that they run all the way to this keyframe. And now you'll see a lot of keyframes appear over here. That's because the animation is like really nice. So if we actually watch that in thing. So this is actually pretty nice. And the one thing that you do have to note down for this though is that if your character's wearing any armor and my character's wearing full armor, you're going to have to make sure that the armor is parented to the body or whatever part of the body it's a part of. Otherwise, whenever it's running, your character isn't going to go with the armor and the armor is just going to be in its own realm. So now if we undo that, we got to undo a lot of things. Now I'm going to show you guys the selected keyframes. So actually, let's go back to the running animation. And now we're going to copy these. And now if we want to get rid of all of these keyframes, we click that. So now all those keyframes that were just added are gone, but we don't want that. Actually, we do want that. But now if we paste what we have copied, we will get all of those keyframes back, and now everything works perfectly fine. So, and then the next feature we have is delete the selected keyframes. So for example, you can actually do this for keyframes. So let's say that you want to delete these keyframes. You want to delete the head keyframes because you don't want him to move his head through the entire animation. So you go through to drag all of those. And now you want to click delete or remove the selected keyframes. Now, if you start the animation, his head only has 2 possible options that it can be in. So that's that. And then our last thing that we have is the explore the selected keyframes, which if you double click on that, you can click the explore the selected keyframes, and now you can just like you can upload it into your files or stuff like that. And then these items over here. So the first one is duplicate in the thing. So for example, let's say that you want to duplicate your character. So I want to duplicate him. I'm going to click on the duplicate button. And now that creates a second version. Let's say that I don't want him anymore. I will remove him. And then also the last one is the save the selected objects. So for example, if you want to save this guy, then what you're going to have to do is you're going to click the save selected objects, and then it's going to allow you to save it inside of your files folder. And also, whenever you copy it, it also copies all the data, so they're now both going to be running, except they actually still have the exact same data, so they're both trying to run to the same point. And they're going to end up colliding in the end. And yeah, so that is pretty much it. And then and in the other videos, you should have watched them. I showed you how to make things like custom items, and I also showed custom things. And yeah, so that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in the next video. So until then, if we get 5 more subscribers, I will do a continuation of this. And then until then, bye.